Alright, so I'm gonna come in. I had these rotors turned. He put new races and stuff in here, but I want to come in and make sure that this is totally clean out in here, guys. I don't want to take no chances. No dust or dirt being in there. And I never had the brake cleaner hurt my paint, guys, so you just got to remember it is highly flammable. So, alright. So I'm going to go on and clean the whole surface here. And then I'm going to be ready to put the bearings and stuff in here. Alright. So I brought this little seal kit, for hammering the seals in. It's just cheap, yes, Harbor Freight kit, but now I'm gonna just place. You see how that wheel packing how it's set in there. I mean, how it totally greased that all the way through. So now I want to come in, get that in there. Then I want to come in and get this seal on here. Alright, so I got that in there. Now I want to come in, place the seal in. Alright, now I'm going to sit this on here and I'm going to hammer this in. Alright. So that's in there. So now the other side, all I'm got to do, I come in and put it on the spindle and get it set up on there. Alright, so I packed the rotor with grease, and I'm gonna just wipe grease all around this spindle. Because I totally cleaned these guys to make sure it wasn't no dirt and grime in there. Put new bearings in. So I just want to rub this all down. Just get a coating of grease on there. And like I said, I packed grease all inside the rotor there. And then this got a rubber seal back there, so I got that rubber seal in there. Alright. So now I got that on there. Now I can put the bearing and the nut and washer on here. Alright. I'm going to find the keyway there. Alright, so I'm gonna check and see what the torque is, and I used to just tighten this stuff down, guys, and leave it, but I'm gonna actually torque this down to the right specs. And then once I get done, I gotta paint the cap. I'm gonna paint it the same color, red. And once I paint the cap, then I'm gonna pack that cap with grease and pop the cap on there at that time. So you see that's not binding up. It's got a pretty snug, tight fit. So yeah, now I just got to do the other side, guys, but I got to come in next and I get the caliber and stuff on here. All right. Alright, so I got the carter pin in there. And I normally like to get big ones. And I just come and I wrap these around. But I wrap them around both sides. So now I'm gonna actually come in and I'm gonna pack this bearing here with grease. Let me pack it and come back. So I like to pack that cap with grease, guys. To me, you can never have too much grease, guys. So I put grease all in there. To me, you can never have too much grease. Alright, so guys, I just got this big socket set that my dad had. It's 1 3/16, and man, he used to have big trucks, so that's normally just a big socket, and I'm not hammering, messing that all up, guys. So now that's on there, and I'm gonna put the caliber on and hook. I'm gonna hook the brake line up. Alright, guys, so like I said, I'm building this car, guys, because if I go to a car show, I want to be able to ride there. So these bushings, they don't look bad. I don't know if they ever been changed before. Well, that one don't look bad. But I'm going to get them up out of here, guys. I already ordered a new kit. I saved these. I mean, you never know. One of the grandkids might need them 20 years from now. If they look good, I'll save them. And I'm trying not to mess them up. I just got a little Harbor Freight pick. And I'm just picking them out of there, guys. Hopefully you can see that. So, I got new ones here. I ordered a kit already. And like I said, I plated a lot of these, you know, every part on this part will be plated. And see, look, that's just how wore that is. See how that's slipping off of there? This new one, it's a little loose, but it's not as loose as that one. See that? This one, you put it on there, it slips back, it just slides right back off. That one's about the same thing. This one, the new one, it's just, you know, it's just a tighter fit, guys. So, get these old ones out the way. I put them in a plastic bag, like I said. I'll label them and save them. I don't think I'm a hoarder, but just never know if you're gonna need something and they're gonna discontinue it. So I'm changing this for now. See if I can turn this around. I don't know. You might not be able to see this. Let me see. But all I'm doing is pushing that in there. It's always when you don't have, I did the other side. It's like when you don't have the camera rolling, everything pops in a lot smoother. Alright. So now, I got that about in there. Well, maybe not. Things never want to go right when you're on camera. Alright, so then I want to just come in with a little WD-40, and this is going to help me get that in where it needs to be. Still not actually falling in place. The other one went a lot easier. And I'm not poking no holes in here, guys. All right. Just want to press that around in there. Then I just want to stick that in there, and that seal is in place. Now you got to also realize I got these painted up, but let's see, just a little WD-40. Get it in there. So that one's in, guys. It's a nice tight fit too. Alright, same thing with the big one here. These have never been out before. I'm gonna go and spray these down with WD-40. That might help me out some, guys. Make sure there's no crud and stuff in there. Alright, guys, so I just sprayed them down. Sprayed that down with brake cleaner. Remember that brake cleaner is flammable, guys. Alright, so the same thing. Just want to apply a little WD-40 in there just to get this going in here. Now that one popped right in. Alright. So that's it, guys. That one's in there. Might not have been able to see it, but it's in there. New rubbers, guys. These are a little harder, but they're still good. So I'm gonna hold on to these, guys. I'm gonna hold on to them. All right, now I'm just putting this caliper on. I'm not really setting everything on here. But that caliper is ready to go on now, guys.